Hi, I'm Tigani. I'm a business banking relationship manager with M&T Bank. So what that means is I work with businesses in the local community and help them meet their lending and cash flow needs. A great example would be, let's say you own a bakery and you need help because you're outgrowing your building or you need more ovens or delivery trucks. I would sit down with the owner or maybe with one of their managers, their accountant, and we would come up with a plan on how we can help them do that. Whether it's financing or paying with cash out of their accounts, we go over all of that and come up with a plan together, so they can meet their goals. So what do I do day to day? So much of like what I just said, I meet with a lot of business owners, meet with their staff and their teams, their managers, and make sure that we're taking care of all their needs. Whether that's protecting their money, whether that's planning for the future. These are all things that we help them as their trusted advisors. And what's one thing that I love about my job? Probably a lot of what I just said, getting to meet with the owners, getting to learn about their industries, getting to see some of the inner workings of the businesses, whether they're brand new and it's an industry that I'm not familiar with, or if it's someone, in an industry that I've worked with, many times, whether it's, medical or manufacturing, where they might be the industry expert, but they come to me as far as, the banking advice and banking expertise. And I really enjoy when I get to meet with someone in the earlier stage and continue to meet with them as they grow their business. They get to grow their sales, they get to hire new employees, they get to be, productive members in the community. I really enjoy that. So how did I get started? Well, I went to a 4-year school, went to University of Delaware and got a Bachelor of Science in Finance. From there, when I got out of school, I started working in a bank branch. That was a great opportunity because I got to see different roles within the bank, all at, at a high level. And, starting off, I got to see investment advisors, business lenders like myself, open up personal accounts for customers, work with business customers. And that really gave me a good look at what I wanted to do, which was eventually business banking. And what was my first job? So before business banking, before college, I was a lifeguard. I got to do that for quite a few summers during high school and college. Really enjoyed it. It was a great job. Got to get time outside, be in the sun. What I learned, probably the most important lesson, was that doing the little things right, having good work ethic, really stand out. After my second summer, one of the supervisors had quit, and I got the opportunity and was promoted to one of the supervisor lifeguards, even though I hadn't been there as long as everyone else, just because of how hard I worked and showed up on time. That really got noticed. What advice would I give my younger self? Well, I had a great college experience, went to University of Delaware, but I also grew up in Delaware. So if I could go back, I would probably say, venture out a little more out of my comfort zone. I love to travel these days, and I think, I would have enjoyed traveling a little bit more when I was younger, but I still had a great experience. I'm very happy with where I am today. If I could give you all one piece of advice, it would be that if you're interested in something, to go and seek out someone that does that, and learn more, ask questions. And once you get there, if you find a career that you like, find a mentor. I'd say that's probably been a big help for me. I've been on both sides. I've tried to mentor, younger employees or, people that are new to the industry. And I've had the opportunity to be mentored by some folks that have been around for a while as well. Well, thank you, Junior Achievement. Thanks for listening and letting me share my story.